morning, students.
Good morning, sir.
Today we are going to start a new chapter, that is mechanical properties of solids, fluids. Before that, I left over some one topic in the previous chapter, that is escape velocity. After finishing escape velocity, we will go to the mechanical properties. Okay. Escape velocity or escape speed. The escape speed is the speed of the Earth or planet, is the minimum speed with which the body has to be projected vertically upwards from the surface of the Earth, so that it just crosses the gravitational field of the Earth, and the body never returns to Earth on its own. Escape velocity or speed is defined as the minimum speed which is required to project a body upward from the surface of the Earth so that it crosses the gravitational field. In addition to that, it never returns on its own. Understand? Escape velocity na enna ஒரு பாடியை எர்த்ல இருந்து ப்ரொஜெக்ட் பண்ணா எர்த் கிராவிடேஷனல் ஃபீல்டை தாண்டி வெளியில போயிடும். அதுக்கப்புறம் அந்த கிராவிடேஷனல் ஃபீல்டுக்குள்ள வராது. அப்போ ராக்கெட் லான்ச் பண்றப்போ ஆர் சேட்டலைட் லான்ச் பண்றப்போ the speed of the satellite or rocket should be greater than the escape velocity. Suppose the projection velocity is lesser than the gravitational escape velocity or speed, due to the gravitational force, the body which is projected into the air will come into the Earth again. Understand? Therefore, to project any body into the space beyond the gravitational field, we must project that body more than the escape speed or velocity. Therefore, write down the definition. The escape speed on Earth is defined as the minimum speed with which the body has to be projected vertically upward from the surface of the Earth so that it just crosses the gravitational field of the Earth and never returns on its own. Now, the escape velocity or speed, the expression is 2gm divided by r. What about the orbital velocity? Last class we saw that formula. Orbital velocity of the satellite. It is root of here instead of gm we have to put 2 gm r. Okay, where m is the mass of the Earth and r is equal to radius of the Earth. Earth or planet, whatever it may. See, this expression can be written as in terms of density. V suffix E means escape velocity or speed, root of 2 g by r. How to find out the mass of the Earth? Mass of the Earth is nothing but the density into volume. Say rho is the density. Rho is the density. Volume means 4 by 3 pi r cube. When it is simplified, it becomes root of 8 pi rho g r cube divided by 3. See this expression of escape velocity. The escape velocity is depends upon the density, that is the density of the Earth. G is the gravitational constant, universal gravitational constant. R is the radius of the Earth. Okay. So the important point is the escape velocity is not depend upon the mass of the satellite or body. It is depends upon the mass of the Earth or planet from which the body is projected. Can you note down this? The escape speed The escape speed depends upon the mass and the radius of the Earth or planet from the surface of which the body is to be projected. Next point. The escape speed is independent of the mass and direction of projection of the body. That is very important point. Escape speed is independent of the mass of the body and direction with which the body is projected into the air. For the Earth, the escape speed is 11.2 kilometer per second. Very, very important note. The escape speed is depends upon the planet. For Earth, the escape speed is 11.2 kilometer per second. When you project any body from the Earth with the speed 11.2 kilometer per second, the body will be in the out of the gravitational field, so that it will never returns to Earth. Therefore, in the rocket in which the satellite are mounted will be projected greater than 11.2 kilometer per second. Then only it will escape from the gravitational field. After that, it will be rotating around the Earth with some floating speed. Therefore, you have to remember this value 11.2 kilometer per second. Have you copied? Another important relation, escape speed in terms of orbital speed. Have you copied? Editingla?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Note on the next point. But the given planet will have atmosphere if the root mean square of the speed of the molecules in its atmosphere is smaller than the escape speed of the planet. That is RMS speed is nothing but GRT divided by M. Have you finished, student? Hello. I can't hear your voice.
Sir, finish the
Let us do two problem from this escape velocity, and then we'll go. Then we'll go to the next chapter. Students, kindly see this problem. The escape velocity for a body projected vertically upward from the surface of the earth is 11 kilometers per second. If the body is projected at an angle 45 degrees with the vertical, the escape velocity will be, what is the answer? I'm not able to hear your voice. Please unmute your audio so that I can interact with you. Eyesight is okay.
system, sir, on the system like this. We are ready.
Sir, the escape speed for the body projected vertically upward from the surface of the earth is kilometer per second. The body is projected at an angle 45 degree with the vertical. The escape velocity will be 11 by root 2, 11 by 11 root 2, 2 kilometer per second, kilometer per second. Which one is correct? Just now we saw value, escape velocity. What is that value?
Sir, option D, sir.
Yes, very good. In the problem, the angle is given as 45 degree. I have given a note. The escape speed is not dependent upon the mass of the body and the direction with which it is projected. It is independent of the direction and the mass of the body. Therefore, we can neglect that angle of projection, 45 degree. So the answer, direct answer, 11 kilometer per second. Okay. See this next problem. A ball is thrown vertically upward with a velocity equal to the half of the escape velocity. A ball is thrown vertically upward with a velocity equal to half of the velocity from the surface of the earth. The ball rises to the height h above the surface of the earth. If the radius of the earth is r, then h by r is The condition given as the ball is thrown vertically upward with a velocity equal to the half of the escape velocity. That is the condition. The ball rises to particular height above the surface of the earth. And the radius is r. Then find out the h by r. When a body is projected less than the escape velocity, it will return to the earth due to the gravitational force. The question is, find out the ratio of the height with which the body is projected with the velocity v and the radius of the earth. To find out this, let us use the law of conservation of earth. Law of conservation of energy. Energy means mechanical energy. Kinetic energy and the potential energy is equal to total energy. This is the law. Kinetic energy is what is the kinetic energy of mv squared? Potential energy, we have the formula.
Gm by
Huh?
Gm by
What is the potential energy formula? Minus
Gm
R. Total energy is minus Gm divided by R plus H. From this, we can calculate the V value. Simplify this and take it outside V value. Take the LCM. R plus H into R. Then isn't it? Here the m is cancelled both side, and 2 will come into the numerator. This is the velocity. Okay. Already we have in this problem the condition is given as VE divided by 2, but we have the formula VE. What is that? 2 GM divided by R. Now substitute the value of V here. See, both side square பண்ணுங்க. It becomes V squared 1 by 4 V suffix E whole square. V squared is 2G capital M H divided by R plus H into H. Sorry, R. 1 by 4. V E is 2GM divided by R squared. R. V squared means take the root. Sorry, remove the root. 2GM divided by R. Isn't it? Here the V squared becomes 2GM divided by R. Now simplify this and take it outside H. That is the answer. The G, M get cancelled on both sides. This R get cancelled on both sides. In the left hand side, 2H divided by R plus H remaining. The right hand side, 2, isn't it? Divided by 4. G, M, the R get cancelled. Here, the left hand side 2, the right hand side 2. Again, the 2 get cancelled and becomes 4H. Cross multiplying it, 4H is equal to R plus H. The question is find out H by R. R is equal to 4H minus H. That is 3H. Understand, students?
Sir, finish, sir.
Okay. Yeah, audio from video from our side. What happened? Hello. Hello. Hello.
Progress.
Only your video is coming.
Sir, voice is breaking.
Your video is more. Check your network. I think it shows like that. Okay. Students, listen here. We'll start the mechanical properties of solids. Mechanical properties of solids. The mechanical properties consist of fluids, solids. Listen here, see the board. Don't see our notes. Refer the notes at our home. mechanical properties of solid. The properties which are changed due to the external force or load is called mechanical properties of solid. The properties which are changed due to the external force are called mechanical properties. The properties of material may be classified as a mechanical property, electrical property, thermal property, electronics property, and all. Mechanical property can be defined as the four properties which are changed due to the external force or load. ஒரு force apply பண்றப்போ அந்த மெட்டீரியல் இருக்க பிஹேவியர் எதெல்லாம் சேஞ்ச் ஆகுது அதெல்லாம் மெக்கானிக்கல் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டி. ஃபோர்ஸ் அப்ளை பண்றதுனால அந்த மெட்டீரியல் பிஹேவியர்ல வர சேஞ்சஸ் எல்லாம் என்ன சொல்றோம்? மெக்கானிக்கல் ப்ராப்பர்ட்டிஸ் சொல்றோம். Important properties are elasticity, plasticity, ductility, malleability, resilience, proof resilience, grip, static. These are the mechanical properties. But you have a limited properties in your syllabus, particularly elasticity, plasticity, ductility, malleability, and stiffness. We will discuss why what. Okay, and then whenever the force is applied on the body will be deformed. Kindly check your network is, the bandwidth is slow. Agasthiya Neet Academy's network bandwidth is low. It shows like this. That is why this interruption. Okay. Mechanical properties of solid. Whenever the force is applied on the body will deform. Deformation means change in dimension, in terms of length, in terms of breadth, in terms of volume. These dimensions are measured, change in dimensions are measured by the term called strain. Two important terminology in this topic is stress and strain. Whenever the force is applied on the body will deform. To avoid the deform, the material will generate some resistance force internally. That resistance force can be taken as a restoring force. The restoring force developed from the material for an external force is called stress. Is called stress. Just a minute. Okay. Strain means, suppose if the force is applied, the dimension will be changed. The length may be increased, breadth will be decreased, depth will be decreased. This change in dimensions are measured with the help of the term called strain. Understand? The properties which are changed due to external force. Are mechanical properties. elasticity. Yes. Anything want to say?
Board stuck.
Huh?
Board stuck.
Board stuck ஆகுதா?
Yes, sir.
Network problem நினைக்கிறேன் உங்களுக்கு. இதான் செக் பண்ணணும். My network is okay. Is it visible now? தெரியுதா போர்டு? ஸ்டக் ஆகி நிக்குதா? அப்புறம் பாருங்க, நான் I am moving the screen up and down. இப்ப தெரியுதா? Is it okay now? I am sharing the screen. Why it is not? Is it okay now?
No, sir. No, sir.
Are you seeing the screens? Huh?
Screen தெரியுது அப்படியே போர்டு நிக்குது சார் ஸ்க்ரோல் அப் பண்ணுங்க
Board I நிக்குது. I am moving the screen pa.
No sir,
No. My side is no problem. I think it may be in your side. Kindly check. I am moving the screen. Here there is no problem.
Sir, நீங்க பேசுறதெல்லாம் கிளியரா இருக்கு சார். ஸ்கிரீன் மட்டும் தான் அப்படியே ஸ்டக் ஆகி நிக்குது.
அதுதான் தம்பி. Okay, listen here. Mechanical properties. Stress. The first term is elasticity. Elasticity, plasticity, ductility, malleability, brittleness, hardness. These are the important mechanical properties. See, elasticity is the property of material due to which the body regains its original shape after removal of force or load. Elasticity is the property of material by virtue of which the body regains its original shape after removal of force or load. Are you concentrating the class? I think everybody is speaking with your neighbor. Are you serious about the class? Elasticity is the property of material. Otherwise, I will report the principal. Always smiling, laughing, second person from the left. What are you doing? Always you are laughing, you know. சிரிச்சிட்டே இருக்க எப்போதுமே. எப்ப சிரிச்சிட்டே இருக்க? If you know all things, you can speak. Consider this is the body which is subjected to external force. When a force is applied on the body, it will be elongated. It will be elongated. If you remove the external force, the body will come back to the original position. The body will come back to the original position. This property is called elasticity. Or body la force apply பண்றப்போ the body elongate ஆகும். இப்போ force remove பண்ணிட்டீங்கன்னா original position க்கு வந்துச்சுன்னா அதுக்கு good elasticity property இருக்குன்னு அர்த்தம். Elasticity is the property of material due to which the body will regain its original shape after removal of force or load. Next property, plasticity. Suppose if the force is applied on the body, the elongation will be produced. The extension will be produced. If you remove the force, the body retains its elongation. This property is called plasticity. Plasticity, therefore, is the property of material by virtue of which the body does not regain its original shape after removal of force or load. Plasticity is the property of material by virtue of which the body does not regain its original shape after removal of force or load. If the body come back to the original position, the body is said to be an elastic body. If the body does not regain its original shape, it's called plastic body. Corresponding property, plasticity. This elasticity property is governed by the law, Hooke's law. Hooke's law states that whenever a body is subjected to an external force within the elastic limit, stress is directly proportional to strain. Stress is directly proportional to strain. Elastic limit is indicating the load. If you apply the load within the elastic limit or within the elastic load, the body will come back to the original shape in which the stress is directly proportional to strain. Stress is directly proportional to strain. What does it mean, stress? The restoring force developed from material. With that, we conclude today. Next class, we will study in detail all the mechanical properties and its related concepts. Thank you very much. I will ask question in the next class in the 10 minutes related to gravitation. Come with preparation. Okay, be serious. Thank you.
Thank you.